Ever thought about your life as a path? Maybe you did, but what do we do when we come to a crossroad? More about this analogy right after the intro. Welcome to Analogies. Are you ready to explore? I'm the Freedom Explorer. You can think of me as that point of view who likes to see things from here, from there, from any angle. And when you get in touch with that adventurous, curious point of view, I present you the analogy of the day, life as a path. And more importantly, when we reach a crossroad. Imagine yourself, you're there on the path of your life and you're just facing a crossroad. Yeah, facing a crossroad. It represents a decision that you have in your life. It might be big, it might be small. Think about a decision. Maybe something small that you have today. Maybe it's going shopping or not going shopping. Maybe it's going shopping in the morning or in the evening. Maybe it's doing the homework or not doing the homework. Maybe it can be bigger, buying the house, not buying the house, getting the car, taking the phone call, not taking the phone call. Think about any decision that you might have today or in the following week. Think about it. Now, this is the crossroad. You can even look back. You can look back the path of your life. You see the hills, you see the mountains, you see the other crossroads. Yes, the past decisions that you make. The past decisions that you made that got you where you are right now. Look where you are right now. Yeah, look at the path. You're standing there. This is the path of your life. But right now, let's go back and look straight forward about the crossroad. What choices do we have? Apparently, we can go right or we can go left, right? Making the decision. This is the two options. But we like to explore, right? Maybe we have other options. Let's think about it. Right now, let's walk to the crossroad. Look at the two options. Now it's the third option, right? We are here right now staying, thinking. That's also an option. We can be here, think about it, strategize, but then we want to move forward, right? But we need to remind ourselves, this is also a decision. Not making a decision, staying in the crossroad, not doing anything, just strategizing, it's also a decision. Let's raise the level of awareness about this one. But we're still there. We're on the path. Do we have another option? Can we explore another option? We can go right, we can go left, we can stay in place and keep thinking about it. But what's the fourth option? Probably the most exciting of them. Taking our own path. Taking a path that nobody has took before. Yeah, this is the option. Are you ready for that? This is a real adventure. Walking the path that nobody was walking. It's creating a new path and leaving a trail for other people. This is the fourth option. Isn't it exciting? This is what we like you to do. We like to explore our possibilities. Wait, there's another option. We can even do a U-turn and go back a little bit, right? Sometimes in life, we get to a place that we don't like too much. And we get this inner intuition that this is not the place for us. We can do a U-turn, go back, recalibrate, recalculate, and take another decision. We can also go to the right, try it, and then go back. This is life. This is life. This is our own choices. This is what makes this analogy so empowering. It reminds us that this is our path. These are our choices. The choices are in our hands. We have the power. Let's get the power back into our hands and make our own path in life. And remind ourselves, it's just like a path. We can go to the right, check it out, see if it works for us. If it does, we can go forward. If it doesn't, we can go back. We can do a U-turn, right? This is life. We try, we taste. We can change our decisions, but we can also just stay in place, not doing anything too much. But this is not really exploration. But we like to explore, right? So remember this empowering analogy. Remember, our life can be like a path. We can walk, we can go to the right, then we can easily go back and make other decisions. Put the power back in our hands. Make decisions, live our life, create our life, and sometimes create the path and leave a trail. Being the leaders in our lives. Well, if you have more ideas, more insights about this analogy, how to make it even more powerful, comment below and share that with us. If you have other ideas about other analogies, empowering analogies of course, share them below so we can talk about them and explore them in the next episodes of Analogies, aka the empowering analogies. So let's meet in the next episode of Analogies.